Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we will discuss chapter 20 in your GK book. This is delicacies. So take out your books and open page number 3 to 32. Children, before starting the chapter, we will know what are delicacies? Delicacies are something that is delightful and pleasing to eat. Now, we will see almost all the states in India have their own special cuisine or dish for which they are famous. Children, you know in which country we live? We live in India, and India has 29 states. And almost all states are famous for its particular dish. Okay. Now children, we will see fill in the blanks with their related states name. Here few dishes are given and will find these dishes are famous in which states. So first, I like to eat rasgulla. I am from dash. Children, this is rasgulla, you know. It is white, spongy and juicy sweet dish. It is made of cottage cheese. This is rasgulla. It is famous in West Bengal. The spelling of West Bengal, W-E-S-T West, B-E-N-G-A-L Bengal, West Bengal. Now second, I like to eat idli, dosa and sambar. I am from children, this is the picture of idli, dosa and sambar. It is famous in Tamil Nadu and it is very quickly made food items, and you can eat it in your breakfast and as your main course, and it is very healthy for human body also. Now it is from Tamil Nadu. It is famous in Tamil Nadu. The spelling of Tamil Nadu, T-A-M-I-L Tamil N-A-D-U Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Now number 3, I like to eat dhokla. Children, here you can see this picture, this is dhokla. It is in which color? It is in yellow color. It is made of gram flour and it is very famous dish in Gujarat. So spelling of Gujarat, G-U-J-A-R-A-T, Gujarat. Now number 4, I like to eat vada pav. I am from dash. Children, you know vada pav is famous in which state? It is famous street food of Maharashtra. It is made of deep fried fritters, mashed potatoes and bread bun. It is famous in Maharashtra. The spelling of Maharashtra is M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A, Maharashtra. Now, we will see number 5. I like to eat makke di roti and sarson da saag. I am from, children, you must have listened about this. It is seasonal food item, seasonal and cultural food item, makke di roti. And what about sarson da saag? It is rich source of iron. Now, in which state it is famous? It is famous in Punjab. Children, you can see this is makke di roti and sarson da saag. Now, in which state it is famous? It is famous in Punjab, and the spelling of Punjab is P-U-N-J-A-B. Now, number 6, I like to eat litti and chokha. I am from dash. Children, this is litti and chokha, and it is quite similar to bati, but it is very different from it. It is famous in Bihar. Spelling of Bihar is B-I-H-A-R, Bihar. Number 7, I like to eat lapsi. I am from dash. Lapsi is famous in which state? It is famous in Madhya Pradesh. And you know what is it? It is made by crushed wheat, jaggery, ghee along with nuts and dried fruits. I am from Madhya Pradesh. We will see the spelling of Madhya Pradesh. M-A-D-H-Y-A, Madhya, P-R-A-D-E-S-H, Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. I like to eat dal, bati and churma. I am from, yes children, in which state do we live? We live in Rajasthan. So dal, bati and churma, it is famous in Rajasthan. You must have eaten this dish. It is complete pairing of 3 dishes, dal, bati and churma. So the spelling of Rajasthan is R-A-J-A-S-T-H-A-N, Rajasthan. So children, now we will see the spelling of these states. Yes, Rasgulla is famous in which state? It is famous in West Bengal. So number 1 is W-E-S-T, West Bengal. B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal. Number 2, which dish is given here? It is idli, dosa and sambar. It is famous in Tamil Nadu. The spelling of Tamil Nadu is T-A-M-I-L, Tamil Nadu, N-A-D-U. Children, first letter should be capital when you will write. Now number 3 is Dhokla. Dhokla is famous in which state? It is famous in Gujarat. So the spelling of Gujarat is G-U-J-A-R-A-T, Gujarat. Now number 4 is Vada Pav. It is a street food of Maharashtra. So spelling of Maharashtra is M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. This is the spelling of Maharashtra. Now number 5 is Makke di roti and sarson da saag. It is famous in Punjab. The spelling of Punjab is P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. Number 6 is Litti and Chokha. Litti and Chokha is famous in Bihar. So spelling of Bihar is B-I-H-A-R, Bihar. Number 7 is Lapsi. It is famous in Madhya Pradesh. M-A-D-H-Y-A, Madhya Pradesh. P-R-A-D-E-S-H. This is the spelling of Madhya Pradesh. Now number 8 is Rajasthan. What is famous in Rajasthan? Dal, bati and churma is famous in Rajasthan. So spelling of Rajasthan is R-A-J-A-S-T-H-A-N, Rajasthan. So children, now we will see the fact of this chapter. Chicken tikka masala, the dish that made Indian food famous the world over, was invented in Scotland. Children, chicken tikka masala invented in Scotland, and it is made Indian food famous in all over the world. So children, I hope you must have understood this chapter and you enjoyed it a lot. Now keep practicing and write it in very beautiful handwriting. Thank you.